What's wrong?
Hey everybody. Jumping on a little late here. Hold on just a minute here. Okay. Good morning. Just adjusting here, everything. You know what time it is? It's BOGO time. I'm so excited. Yes, my hair's a hot mess. It's wet. I jumped on a few minutes late than normal. Hey, Bethany, good morning. But it's because I was dealing with crying and bleeding and, you know, mom stuff. So, you know, it is what it is. So, how's everybody doing? Enjoying BOGO week? Yes, yes. So we are broadcasting live in our private BOGO group here, and then also on our 3 Life Essentials brand page for Thursday's doTERRA BOGO or Unicorn Surprise. For those of you on our brand page, apparently Facebook logarithms don't like BOGO. And so, yeah, good morning, Kelly. So today's BOGO day 3 of 5, and let me see here. Okay, today's 3 of 5, and today is buy 1 cardamom. Let me see if you guys can see that. 1 cardamom, and you get a cilantro for free. Okay, now if you'll notice, there's a little difference in the size bottles here. The member price for this is $26, and the non-member price, the retail price, is $34.67. Hey, you guys give me a thumbs up if you can see and hear me okay, or shoot me a heart or something, so that I know, because I think I've been a couple times, you know, just lip syncing, lip reading. So, so we'll talk about the size difference here in just a minute. And those of you who don't know me, hopefully you know me by now. My name is Amy Miller. My husband Jim, who just jumped on, we're the founders of 3 Life Essentials. We really just seek to be wellness advocates in all areas of our lives. Good morning, Gisela. In our lifestyle, in our healthcare, with a spiritual foundation. And we now have, I think, a little over 3,000 families who have are part of our community, and those that use essential oils and believe in a natural lifestyle. And 3,000 seems like a lot, but that's actually a small drop in the bucket to the over 5 million doTERRA customers all over the world. So a lot of the work that we do today is really just for that greater good of pushing this message forward. We are very committed to just giving people that are interested in living a more natural life all the tools and the resources to really rock that. In fact, we are creating a leadership team that impacts others' health and wealth by delivering hope and freedom. And so we're going to talk a little bit about today, why do you even care about cardamom and cilantro? Spices, yeah. How you're going to use your oils, and then ways that you can get this BOGO deal today. This is only for 24 hours. So, if you'll notice, the cardamom is a 5 milliliter bottle, so it's got about 85 drops or 85 doses in it. And then the cilantro is 15 milliliters, so it's going to have about 250 drops, or think of it as 250 doses. And this is how it comes. So I want you to drop a 1 in the comments if you love chai tea. Anyone? Any chai tea lovers out there? Yes? Yes? Now, I want you to also think about, good morning, Rosemary. Think about if you are feeling the need to detox your body right now, or maybe you know that you've already been exposed to some things that you need to detox, maybe even like some heavy metals. Put a 2 in the comments if you're dealing with that. And then this last one, I'm going to ask you, now this is just for moms and parents. I don't know, this probably applies to other people too, but just bear with me. Do you ever feel a little bit of out of control with your anger when your kids have done something like, I don't know, write on the couch with a marker, or pulled all the stuffing out of the pillows and thrown them all over the house, or been mean to their sibling for the 30th time that day, or maybe they've locked you out of your bedroom and your bathroom and your fifth wheel so you can't get to a screwdriver, your phone, or your purse to get help or rescue yourself or even get rescued. No, that's not ever happened to me, but yeah, anybody drop a 3 in the comments if you've ever felt like that. And then the last one I'm going to ask you is, are you feeling a need to kind of help that little lingering cough? Put a 4 in the comments if that is you. Now, don't worry, we're going to give you solutions for all of these and more. And it's just bonus points if you can find natural tools for this and that they're effective. You know, we've used natural tools before that aren't effective. These are natural and effective. Now, you may be thinking, we're going to cover all those things with these 2 oils. Yes, we are. And more. Okay? So let's talk about cardamom. Okay? This is a tiny little bottle, but it packs a great punch because it's a very versatile oil. Now, you're going to be able to use this oil aromatically, topically, and internally. So I'm going to show you how you're going to use your oil when you get it. So remember that little anger episode that I talked to you about, moms and parents? This oil can really help you emotionally kind of regain that objectivity that you need in that moment and be more in control of your anger. Okay? So in that moment, this could be a great time. This is why I love having my oils someplace, all over the place even, so that they're easily accessible. But it's a spice oil, but you can put this in the diffuser. You can just, if you need a quick fix to be a little bit more in control of your anger. Oh, that smells so great. Such a great spice. Spicy. It'll bring some more balance and mental clarity and more objectivity during those moments of just kind of extreme frustration and anger. So if you want to diffuse this during the day, maybe it's a day that maybe you know there's some issues that are going to come up that are going to frustrate you. This is a great one to diffuse with your wild orange or your ylang ylang. And you can diffuse it or you can apply it topically across the forehead. It's another great place. I've got it on the palms of my hands. Trust me, you guys, I'm not dealing with any anger or frustration today. I needed this yesterday. Okay. Okay, so topically, this is a great one that you're going to use to apply to your chest for that little bit of extra lingering cough. I'll just give you guys a tip. This single oil is in the Breathe Respiratory Blend. So now you understand why I might tell you to put this on your chest for that little lingering cough. Okay, so here's a tip about your spice oils. Anything spices, usually they're also very helpful for your digestion. So let's say maybe you don't have your peppermint on hand, or maybe your digestive blend, then this is when you can put it directly on your stomach, also when you need some help with your digestion. So already your oil has helped you with your anger and your frustration, your little lingering cough, and your little tummy upset. Okay? This oil, it'll packs a punch. Okay, internally, you can add this drop to your favorite tea. Or, those of you who are the chai tea lovers, a little bit goes a long way, so you only need 1 drop. But what you can do is, you could take a drop of your cardamom and your cassia or your cinnamon oil, and a drop of your ginger, and you can have a little great chai tea experience there. So just a little tip for you. Okay, let's move on to cilantro. Good morning, Kelly. Hey, if you're just joining us, you're going to want to make sure and go back to the very beginning so you can see about how to use your cardamom. And especially those moms. I know, Kelly, you're a mom. You're going to want to go back and see that. Okay, so let's talk about cilantro. Now you can also use this one aromatically, topically, and internally. Now let's talk aromatically here for just a minute. You want to get the party started? Maybe you're type A like me and you have a little trouble getting the party started, like loosened up here. You can diffuse your cilantro and your lime together. What do you think of when you think of cilantro and lime? You have a little Mexican party there. You're going to feel a little bit more full of life. Lime is really good at helping kind of bring that zest back to your life. And cilantro is really good about helping you just kind of release some control, maybe from that controlling nature of yours. So diffuse your cilantro and lime, and it will really, when you diffuse that into the air, you can really shift some emotional changes there, and really help. Let me turn this light on here. Okay. Really help just kind of liven things up in your home. Okay. So let's also talk about topical use. Okay, so this one is a great one that you're going to apply to the bottoms of your feet. It's a great way to detox your body. It's really good at pulling out things that are not supposed to be there, really helping support your liver, which is one of your organs that helps flush everything out. And if you're not flushing everything out regularly, you guys, your body is building up of toxins. So I like to even add this to Epsom salt and do like a little foot soak with this with lavender. Is really great to kind of help release things. And then let's talk about internal usage. Okay, my favorite way to use this oil internally is to add this to my guacamole. Or if you make homemade salsa like my friend Kim does, she loves adding the cilantro and a drop of lime. I think she does 2 drops cilantro and 1 drop lime, if I remember correctly. Fantastic to add to your salsa. And then you can diffuse to boot and have a great Mexican party. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, and you know what? The cool thing about having these spices, having these oils instead of your spices, I've actually used my oils in replacement of a lot of my spices in my cooking, is because you use less and they don't go bad on you. So it's actually more cost effective. You know, your citrus oils will oxidize more quickly, maybe in about a year's time, but these are going to last, and so you use less, and so that's my bargain shopping gift to you. You're welcome. Okay, so let's talk about some ways to order this BOGO. The first way is you can just go right in and order on your doTERRA.com account. Now, if it's been over 6 months or more that you have not ordered, your account is going to be inactive. So what you're going to want to do is reach out to your wellness advocate, and they can help you get that reactivated very simply. Plus, they may be able to even help you even more with that. So order right on your doTERRA.com account, and you can order up to 5 per account. And you'll just add the item in your cart. You'll add your cardamom into your cart, and then the cilantro is just going to automatically go. Now, you're going to want to order on your loyalty rewards program because you get your shipping points back. So just all you need to do is just choose the $3.99 option, and you're going to get all those back in points next month. Okay? The second way that you can order is just through your doTERRA Wellness Advocate if you don't have an account. And what we typically do is just set up a short 30-minute appointment to go over your needs a little bit, about the company and the most popular starter options, and that will fit your needs and your goals. And so just tag the person who added you if you'd like to pay even less for your BOGO deals. Okay, now if you're watching this inside our private BOGO group, we've already given away, let's see, we've given away a free membership already. Maybe we'll even do one more membership before the week is over. We've already given away a bottle of peppermint, and we're also giving away a free Iris travel diffuser at the end of the week to someone who chooses to order all 5 days of BOGOs. So if you're watching this from the Facebook Live brand page, if you want to get involved in these, in more how-to videos and how to use your oils, because I know Carla is going to go live later on today with these 2 oils. She's so excited about how she is going to use these. And so just click comment below with add me if you want to be a part of that. So, oh, and the ways to get entered for the diffuser is just post a screenshot of your order or take a picture of your computer screen, and you can post it on the main BOGO post that is in the group for today. Okay, you guys, this is going to be a great day of BOGO's spiciness. Okay, bye, everybody.